We're in Japan. Oh my goodness, we're so happy to be here. At about
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock,
yes.
And we only got to our hotel at about 10. It's cold. It's about
nice.
14 degrees. It is nice, I think, just because we've been in such tropical areas. It's been like 30. So 14 is quite a drop. So this is the only warm thing I have, and it's got holes. So
I mean, the only jersey I bought is dirty at the moment, so I can't even wear that.
The hotels are so cool. We'll show you our hotels.
Wow, yeah.
It's more of a budget hotel.
We stayed in an APA hotel, so it's very common here in Japan.
Yeah, there's many of them. So it's budget. So Japan is pretty pricey just in general, but it's really cool. It's a very small room, but they have like those fancy toilets.
It's actually very luxurious. Even the carpet is luxury. So I'm feeling pretty good about that.
But the bed was, I could sleep in there.
Wow, yeah, the blankets. Oh, they're
amazing.
so good.
We're busy walking to
Senso-ji Temple.
That one.
Yeah.
So it's about a 40-minute walk, and then we have something exciting happening this afternoon at about 2:40. I booked the tickets, but that you'll have to wait for.
Yeah, we're not saying anything yet.
Surprise. Which is like...
I actually don't know what's going on. Jade's got it all planned out.
Yeah, it's a surprise for Jason. Every time I was watching videos on it, I'm like, Jason, don't look, because I want to surprise him, because I want his like pure reaction. For me, I've seen it on videos, so maybe I know what to expect. He doesn't. So we can't wait for that. I'm literally so excited to do it. Ugh.
All right, let's keep going.
Okay. So we're literally, I can see it now. We're about
3 minutes away.
Yeah, 3 minutes away. Ooh, I can already see lots of people.
There we are.
Here it is.
And then you can see a lot of people taking photos over there.
Okay, so we're gonna go inside past that. Maybe if we come out now, I highly doubt it's gonna be more quiet to get.
Yeah, I doubt that. But let's go and explore inside there. This is Tokyo's oldest temple. It was built to honor Kanon, the mercy of God.
We're walking down the street now, and I think these are a bunch of shops alongside us, but they're not open yet.
But it looks so pretty with all the like leaves dangling from the top.
Yeah, I think they're like doing it to match the autumn theme, even though not much of the trees are actually orange or yellow here yet, but it is going into autumn. There you go, got one. Okay. Oh my goodness, how am I supposed to find it? Ooh, bad fortune luck.
Ooh.
Okay, so Jason and I both got a bad fortune, and I mean, with our luck from last night, I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
And they said just wrap it around the stick and drop it, but I don't know where.
Yeah, we weren't sure where to put it.
So now I'm carrying it on me, and now I feel like I'm carrying bad juju with me.
Jay's got bad juju.
I don't know where to throw it. But we're just walking around the gardens now, just seeing what's around.
It looks really pretty.
Here's another one. Maybe we should try again.
No, I don't think we should try again. No, I don't think we should try again. No, I really don't think so.
Try and get one good luck.
Let's just stay away.
Oh no. I think the most surprising thing about here is that there's a lot of people, right? But it's quiet.
It is very quiet.
Okay, so I found the place where you're supposed to actually take your bad fortune and tie it. So hopefully it takes away the bad luck.
Okay, go tie it.
Oh, maybe I have to. Long way, Jay. I'm trying. I'm gonna leave it like that. This little piece is there. There you go. Bye bye, bad luck.
Yeah, there it is.
Stay there. Don't follow me.
Okay, I feel lighter already. Our bad luck's gone.
Shaking it up.
Okay, so we found a matcha shop for Jade, and let's go see what kind of matcha she wants to get.
Oh, it smells so good. Well, I already know what I want to get.
You know
I already saw the picture. Yeah,
Okay, let's go have a look.
So on this side, we've got the special matcha sweet factory. We got all the little goodies there, but we're just going to do the tea for now because we already had our breakfast. Maybe later on we'll try other things. Okay, so we've just ordered. I got the matcha latte and Jason got a Japanese black tea. So we're busy waiting because it's very popular here. And they give you these. So you just got to wait for this to beep and then you can go get your order.
I see they even have matcha beer. It's very
Matcha beer, I've never heard of that before. I wonder how it tastes. It's a bit early to try one, but I think that's something we should try before we leave.
Yeah, for sure.
Got them. Jason's looks so nice and creamy.
It's like yellowy.
Wow. Better not pour it off the screen this time.
And Jade?
I just had a sample. So there's a lady walking around with this. It's a bean matcha bowl. And wow, it is like pure matcha. It's so good.
Nice.
Oh, that's so fresh. It's very matcha. I know you won't like it.
That's very much It's nice.
I like it. Very strong in antioxidants.
Oh, yeah.
Very good for you.
Cheers to that.
We did look at some of the etiquettes of trying to stay polite here. And one of them was you're not supposed to eat or drink when you walk. But I do see a lot of people doing it, so I don't know if that's like an old-fashioned.
Right. Maybe it's like certain areas,
Or
maybe.
maybe certain areas, because along here, maybe where it's more touristy, a lot of people are doing it. They have their snacks and their drinks and they're walking. And another one is it's not accustomed here to tip. So when you go to restaurants and stuff like that, it's kind of considered rude in a sense to tip. There's no tipping culture here. So that's one thing you shouldn't be doing. And talking loud. So you'll see when you get on the buses and everything, it's really quiet. Like everyone talks.
So peaceful, actually.
It's very nice, yeah.
So remember that street we came earlier?
Came to earlier, right in the beginning.
There's all the leaves on the top. This is it now. All these people.
About an hour later, it's packed. So we're actually thankful we came earlier.
Yeah, there's a lot of people here now.
So we have made it. Okay, so the surprises for Jason is TeamLabs.
I still don't know what's going on here.
Yeah, he still doesn't know, but it's something that you need to do when you come to Tokyo, apparently. And I've booked us for 2:40. It's about 1 o'clock now. Guys, we literally walked from that Senso-ji Temple to here, which is like a 2-hour walk. So I'm super proud of us.
My legs are sore.
And we're not sweating, so legs hurt,
yeah,
but that's about it. But we're here now, there's a lot of people. But I think it's because people have to wait for their times. You can't go in, so you need a book prior. But yeah, let's go see how cool it is inside.
It's inside.
So you got a QR code that you got to scan when you go in.
Please roll up your pants. 大人の方でも膝だけまで。
So right now we are walking in water. You can't see much.
You'll see just now when we get in, I suppose. Oh wow! Wow. Oh, it's not a lot of people. It's the mirror's reflections of making it look like a lot of people.
This is amazing. It's like a ball. Just given sandals to wear, and now this is the garden park. Look. Look at this. I know. Yeah. So we have to wait in line now to get in, because I think they control the amount of people that sit in there at the time. Jason, he has to crawl. He's like, I don't want to crawl. I don't want to crawl.
So everyone's crawling. Pretty day, Jason. Relaxing in here a little bit. There's a lot of people, so not exactly easy to get a picture with no one. But look, the flowers go up and down. It is so cool.
I think they get up and down.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's it, you guys. Oh my goodness, that was an incredible experience.
That was the best ever.
Would 100% recommend coming
Definitely.
to TeamLabs. If you come to Japan, it was worth every single penny. Okay, I think that's the train station there if we want to go to Shibuya.
Okay.
Okay, so we're wanting to go to the Shibuya, I think it's called Shibuya Crossing. Yeah, so we're gonna go see what's around there.
Wow, check all these people.
Oh my goodness.
Gang, loads of people.
I need some sugar after the walk today. We did what, like 25,000 steps today.
Start counting.
We're done?
Very good.
Yeah. Apparently it's very polite here. What I've heard. Wow, what an amazing meal, you guys. That was incredible.
The best ramen I've ever had.
See, at the end, Jason's busy drinking the soup out of the bowl. It's because he saw another person doing it, so he's like, oh, that must mean, like, you know, it's yummy, so he's got to do it.
I got to do it.
And then eventually, actually, the guy, one of the Japanese guys saw Jason doing that, and he came back around to try to give me cookies because I think he was super impressed. It was so sweet. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog, and we hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as we did. And yeah,
we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
That cloud's been there forever, but this is Mount Fuji behind us.
Mine's nice, eh?
Yours is so good.
Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes.